Hey there, planner friends. This is Amy, and welcome back to my channel, Beloved Plans. I'm super excited to have you guys here with me today as I set up my January spread in my Moxie Life planner for January 2022, the first month of the new year. If you're new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here. This channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So let's dive in and setting up my monthly spread for my January 2022 planner. So if you have seen my video where I am showing you guys my catch-all planner for the year, you will see that I switched to the Moxie Life weekly horizontal planner for this year. It is an undated version, so I will be having to set up kind of the dates and everything every single time, but that's okay. I'm totally fine with that for reasons I explained in that video. I'll go ahead and link it right now if you want to check it out after this one's done, because I think it'll give you a lot of insight into why I'm trying this new system. So I did already fill in the numbers for the month of January, and I did throw this sticker down, which is from the Winter Happy Planner sticker book, but I haven't done anything else yet. So I did go ahead and grab my quarter one, just kind of like at a glance calendar. I did mark some things on here for January just to have to plan for when I'm putting stickers down and everything here. This is from the January Jane's Agenda subscription box, and that video should be up as well if you guys want to take a peek at all the goodies that were in that, but I'm going to use that to reference. So let's go ahead. I think I'm going to do like a wintry kind of blue, like snowflakey theme for this. So I'm going to use this winter sticker book and let's see, probably this seasonal one and this other winter sticker book too. So let's get started. So now that I have all my stickers down, I'm going to just start writing my plans in for the month. I decided to show you guys how it looks with an after the pen too. I just really like seeing people's after the pens, so I wanted to give you guys a glimpse into that too. Just gonna lay down this one final sticker, and then that does it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.